This video will introduce I9 driver driving specifications and related structures. Firstly, we will introduce the driving regulations for drivers. Before the driver starts driving, he should check counterclockwise and meet the following requirements. There are no obstacles or other people under or near the vehicle. Rear view mirror and glass are in good condition without any damage. Wiper spring is not damaged. The wiper blade has no hardening and wear. The headlights are intact. The license plate number should be uncovered and complete. The tire and rim are not damaged. The fixing nut is not loose. Valve inside rod and sealing cover are not damaged. The coolant has no leakage and the liquid level is normal. The tire has no cut, no bulge and no severe wear. There are no foreign objects embedded inside. The rear license plate number should also be complete and uncovered. This is the main switch. The main switch should be turned on before getting on. The driver should inspect the vehicle after getting on. First confirm that the handbrake is pulled up. Then fasten the safety belt. Hit the brake pedal. Put the vehicle in on gear. Verify that the vehicle is in neutral or parking gear. The instrument should have no light fault display before the running. An ammeter, voltmeter, and air pressure display is normal. Then start the vehicle as the key is in start gear. When the green ready appears on the instrument, the vehicle has been started. There should be no abnormal display on the instrument during the running, and no fault light on. Ammeter, voltmeter, and air pressure are normal. Introduction of vehicle instruments and buttons. This is the instrument. SOC is the current remaining power of the vehicle. This red sign in the upper left corner means the vehicle is in parking brake. This white sign is ammeter. The white sign in the upper right corner is voltmeter. This number in the middle indicates the current speed of the vehicle. On the left is the air pressure display for the front axle reservoir. On the right is the air pressure display of the rear axle reservoir. The lower left corner is the subtotal mileage of the vehicle. The current voltage of the vehicle's battery. In the middle is the gear the vehicle is currently in. ODO represents the total mileage of the vehicle. The yellow sign in the upper right corner means that the vehicle is not under high pressure. A red sign indicates that the battery is being charged. PWR stands for the current power of the vehicle. The left button on the steering wheel is the multimedia button. Volume up, volume down, back or mute buttons, telephone answering button, page force, page bulk. On the right side is the cruise control button. Cruise control increases, cruise control decreases. In the middle is to turn off cruise control. These are the buttons below the center console. On the left side is the air conditioning wind speed regulation, the air conditioning switch. This is the front windshield defrost and defect button. There are two interfaces underneath here. One is for USB, the other one is for headphone. Menu button, return button. On the right is the volume adjustment knob. The two jacks below are fast charging interfaces. The top is USB, below is Type-C. This is the light height adjustment switch. Can be turned. Hazard warning flashing button. Electric heating button for rear view mirrors. Front fog light switch. On the right is the power cigarette lighter. Open it downward when needed. Shift knob. I is reverse and is neutral and D is forward. Middle button. It is a switch between normal mode and sport mode. Shift the gear to the forward gear first, then press the button. It can be found that the vehicle is already in sport mode. After the drive is done, the driver should review the vehicle according to the pre-driving inspection. If there is any problem, the driver should inspect and repair the vehicle, and clean up the vehicle. Keep it clean and tidy. Introduction to the vehicle nameplate. This is the vehicle integrated controller. The nameplate of it is here. This is the vehicle power battery. The nameplate of it is here. Vehicle electric motors. The nameplate of the motor is located here.